Today, your enemy will burn like hell. They will burn like fire after this spiritual walk, okay? Do you want your enemy to burn like hell? Do you want them to burn like fire? When I talk about enemies, there are people that are making life difficult for you. They are treating you bad, okay? You've done everything to make sure they like you, but still they don't like you. If you want them to burn like hell, you should do the spiritual work right now. This spiritual work is a revenge spell. Okay, they did something very bad to you and you want them to feel the pain of what they've done. Okay, then you should do this spiritual work. You should do this, and this is a warning. If you feel you're not strong enough or you don't want your enemy to suffer, then don't do the spiritual work. But if you really are tired and sick of somebody treating you bad and always being on your neck, okay, they won't even allow you to breathe, and you want this enemy to burn like fire, if you want them to burn like hell, then do the spiritual work. So this is Precious Spiritual TV. Today I'm going to teach you this, so you can do this spiritual work right now with me, and within 3 to 5 days this spiritual work will work, and you'll be shocked how powerful this spiritual work is. Okay, so what you would need is you will need a black marker, just a marker like this, okay, and you will need a piece of paper, like a white plain paper, okay, a white paper with no lines on it, and you will need fire, something like lighter. You can have a candle, you can use it on your stove, okay. So now what you're going to do is that you're going to place your paper on the table or on the floor. Now you're going to write the name of your enemies, okay. If you know their name, write their names down on the paper. Even if you don't know their names, you can just say my enemies, okay. You don't have to write this name as many times, just write it one time, my enemies. If you don't know their name, write it on the paper like this, my enemies. When I talk about enemies can come in different forms. They can be people that are harming your life. They are sending evil to your life. They are disturbing your progress. They are disturbing your finances, okay. They are affecting you physically, emotionally, and spiritually. So these are enemies, and you have to do something to stop them before they stop you, okay. So now you will say my enemies if you don't know their names. If you know their names, write the name. You don't need to write their name once, okay. So now once you've done that, and this spiritual work, make sure you do this at night, okay. So it's very important. It's much more powerful when you do it at night, just before you go to bed. So you will write my enemies burn like fire, okay. You can write my enemies burn like fire, or you can write my enemy burn like hell, okay, or my enemies burn like hell. That's what you want to write. I don't know if you can see that, my enemies burn like fire, or you can write burn like hell. Either of the two is fine, okay. This is exactly what you want to write, okay. So this is for people that don't know their enemies' name. If you don't know their names, write my enemies. If you know their names, write the name down here, okay. So now once you've done that, you are going to say this prayer to this paper. You will say, the universe, I'm committing my enemies into your hand. They have done evil. They have sent evil to me, and I'm sending this evil back to them, okay. As I burn this paper, I want their life to burn like hell. I want their lives to burn like fire. I want them to destroy themselves. I want them to leave me alone. I want them to leave me alone so that I can live a free life. Okay? I am a free human being and freedom is my birthright. So nobody has that right to make life hell for me. Nobody has that right to make life difficult for me. As I burn this paper, may my enemy's life burn like fire, like hell. So once you make this prayer, once you make this intention, then you want to fold this paper into two. Away from you, right? It has to be away from you. Like this. One. Okay. And two. You see how I did it? I fold it once, then two. That's it. Away from you. So now, once you've done that, you are going to go outside your house. You can stay and in your backyard, or you can go in front of your house, whichever works for you. It's good. And make sure you do this at night. At night, please. So now you're going to take your fire, your source of fire. If you're using lighter, good. If you're using stove, good. If you're using candle light, it's good. Any source of fire at all. Then you're going to hold this paper up like this. The reason why you're doing it outside is that because you want to banish this person. You want to make sure they are out of your life. They are out of your environment. They are out of anything that has to do with you. Okay, you have to take them outside. So because this represents their life, you are burning their life away so that they can burn in hell, so that they can burn like fire. So you take outside, you light your fire, and you begin to burn this paper. Okay, you begin to burn this paper, and as you're burning this paper, you'll be saying, my enemy, you will burn like fire. As I'm burning you, you are burning like hell. As I'm burning you, you are burning like fire. As I'm burning you, you are burning like hell. As I'm burning you, you are burning like fire. You keep saying that. You call their names several times. Okay, you call their name several times. You call their name several times. You can call their name 10 times. You can call them 12 times. Just keep calling their name. My enemies, 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 my enemies. You will burn like hell. You will burn like fire. As I'm burning you, you are burning. As I'm burning you, you are burning. As I'm burning you, you are burning like hell. As I'm burning you, you are burning like fire. You see the smoke coming out. You see, that's their life that you're burning. That's their life that you are snuffing out. So once you've done that, now this is done, you make sure that you wash your hand after this. Okay, you don't want, you see the ash is on my hand. You don't want that to get on your hand. You don't want that to take that back into your life. So now, within 3 to 5 days, you will see that their life will burn like hell. You will see that their life will have been destroyed. You will see that they will even not have any strength or any power at all to even to disturb your life anymore. They will run away. Okay, they will self-destruct their life. That's exactly what is going to happen, and this will happen within 3 to 5 days. Okay, this is very powerful. Go right ahead and do this. Okay, do this at night. Okay, and you need to do this once. If you need to do for another person, you can do it for another person. Okay, you get what I'm saying? And once it has worked, come back and share your testimony on my channel. I'll be waiting. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, if it is helpful, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. For more spiritual videos to help your life, you want to watch these videos over there. They are very, very powerful. They will definitely help you. All right, I'm going to talk to you in my next video. You know I love you, and I'm sure you love me too. I care so much about you. If you want, more help, okay, you can join membership on my channel. You just have to click that link and make sure you follow the instructions. All right. If you want more help than what you're getting at this time, you want to make sure you watch to join membership on my channel. All right. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.